Good afternoon, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay Way. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, click the notifications, share my videos, and send me your nice comments. If you want to reach out to me on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook, I'll be happy to answer your automotive questions if I can. And remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So we've got a 2009 Jeep Liberty. It's going to be the same as your 08, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, blah, 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 so forth. We've got a lot of lights on. We have got, the squiggly line, which is your traction control, service 4-wheel drive, ESP, DSN. And I'm going to show you what that is, and we're going to talk about how you repair it. So we got our scanner out. We're going to go ahead and scan it. I already know what it is, obviously. And I've already, while you're doing this stuff, if you have them lights on, you can simply look behind your wheels and check and see if any of your wheel speed sensors are broken, which is what we had going on in this situation. ABS. So we had a C1020, and that's for the left rear wheel speed sensor, and I'm going to show you the sensor was broken. So we took the clip off of the back of here, and I'll show you that. Plugged into the wheel speed sensor itself, and one of the wires was hanging off of there, and I'll show you that on the connector here in a second. And as you can see, the wire had just basically broken off of here. So we're going to So I tried to take this apart, and as you will see, I just ended up breaking it. So that was no good. So we're going to go ahead and do away with this part and get a new plug. After trying to fix this and not doing very well, I went ahead and went to the store and just bought a new one. And it was standard part number S824. That's for this part was only about $5 at the local parts store. Maybe $6 for you guys, or $7, but anyways, pretty cheap. So we're going to go ahead and crimp this in and see if the black wire will go to the solid green one, and then the red wire will go to the other green one with the stripe. So now you've got your harness plugged in and all wired up and nicely taken care of. We'll check it and see if we actually fix the problem. All of our lights are gone. Great job, people. If this video was helpful, subscribe, click the notification, send me your nice comments. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. Don't only repair it, replace it, try to repair it.